Guys, Katie for Bobby Knows Reviews here today. I want to talk to you about this silicone baking mat. I've never actually had one before. Every time I bake, I end up just spraying stuff on or using butter or whatever. So, kind of already opened it a little bit. You can see it's, ooh, nice and sticky. Not sticky as in like it's got gunk on it, but it really holds to my counter really well. So, it's really nice. As you can see, it comes in black. Also comes in a couple other colors. Pretty soft, sticks really well, you know, it doesn't, I'm like really pulling on it to get it to slide. I'm going to be baking some cookies here in just a minute on it and seeing how well it works. If you can wait just 1 second, I will get my pan out and we'll get started. Okay, here I have one of my horrible baking pans, cookie sheets. As you can see, it's got a ton of residue and stuff on it, which of course you don't want to necessarily cook over that, but no matter how much I scrub, that stuff won't come off. So let's see how well this goes on. And oh, fits in perfectly. Real nice. Good. And then I'll put the cookies on here and get to baking. I will have a product review about that, or I guess it's not a product because they're cookies, but I will be listing the recipe online in a little while along with how I actually feel about this, and we'll see how the cookies come out. Alright, well here's my peanut butter cookies. As you can see, I've already pulled one off and eaten it. They are so good. This just, if I can get the tray not to move, slides off with ease. I mean, I could probably pick these up with my fingers. Look at that. I mean, they didn't stick at all. And peanut butter cookies usually stick to the bottom of the pan. So, of course, these are a little bit cool now. But anyhow, it worked great. I've already eaten one of the cookies. It was not burnt. I was really concerned about this not cooking the bottom right or burning it. But it didn't. It did a fabulous job. And I don't think I'm ever going to cook cookies again without this. I'm definitely going to have to get some more. So if you guys do not have a baking mat, you should get one. This one I would definitely recommend. It is BPA free, which is always a good plus, FDA approved. And as you can see, all the wonderful things on here. You don't need any oil. It's eco-friendly. Ooh, dishwasher safe. Very nice. I don't have to actually wash it. It also comes with a lifetime warranty. For any reason, if you guys do not like it, you can return it with no questions asked. Absolutely love it. I'm a huge fan. So definitely go online. We sell them on Amazon.com. Get one. If you've got Amazon Prime, they're on sale right now for $10. Good killer deal. So make yourself some cookies and have fun. Thanks. Bye.